iPad Pro 12.9-inch screen, 4th generation screen replacement. So the first thing we're gonna do is heat this thing all the way up with the heat gun. Once the screen is heated up, you can't pull it right off because it's going to be a proximity sensor up top. So you got to angle it down just a little bit just to remove these 2 screws. So once you unplug that proximity sensor up top, then you're going to remove the screen. Remove these 5 screws and then remove the screen. Screen replacement. New screen is on. It's complete. Ready to go.